Good morning everyone, and what a glorious morning it is. And you join me in the quarry in Shrewsbury in beautiful Great Britain. And the subject of today's video is me talking about the vlogging features of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. I'm currently filming on the GoPro. I'm also currently using the audio on board on the GoPro, and all of today's video is going to be exclusively filmed on this camera. So if you're just joining this video just to get some information on this camera, everything you see in here will be recorded by the internal microphone and on the camera itself. But one of the features that I've added to this camera, which I'll include a picture of now, is the addition of some wind muffs on the microphones. It's a little bit windy today. You can see the wind rustling the trees a little bit, but the reason why I've added those wind muffs is because the microphone quality is good, but it does not cope well in windy situations. So if you're going to use the onboard mic, you really need these wind muffs, and I will leave a link in the description to those wind muffs and the camera in the description of this video, so you can go and check them out for yourselves on Amazon. But I thought I'd come out to somewhere a little bit more nice to the eye as opposed to inside a studio environment, which a lot of these videos tend to be in, and just show you the real world capabilities of this camera. And for those of you that watch for the more adventurous kind of side of my videos, we're going to take a little walk through the Shrewsbury Dingle, which for the past few weeks and months during this world crisis that we're all going through, it's been closed. So it's the flower hotbed of Shrewsbury, so it's a beautiful place to be, and it's only recently opened as a one-way system. So we're going to go through there today and give the GoPro Hero 8 a little bit of a test, looking at some of the flowers and the little things that we can see inside there. All of the B-roll that you see in this video will also be completely shot on the GoPro Hero 8, so I'll just show you ahead of me. But tell me what you guys think of the audio of this camera. I'm personally very impressed with it. I was using in my previous videos a lapel mic, which I no longer need any use for it now because the onboard audio of the GoPro is really, really good, paired with some wind muffs around the microphone ports. But I'm glad to see that the water fountains are back on. They weren't on for some time. So why did I buy the GoPro Hero 8 for vlogging? Well, the first and foremost feature is the stabilization on this camera is absolutely fantastic. I'm using a smart tree selfie stick that's designed for a GoPro mount, and I'll also leave a link to that in the description of this video as well, but it has no stabilization features. So all the stability that you're seeing right now is being done inside camera. Before this camera, I had the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which may I say is also a fantastic camera. But the difference between the two, there's a couple of them. One of the main differences is that with the Hero 8, you have the mounting brackets on the bottom of the camera directly. You don't have to have an external cage, which I found has incredibly helped with heating and overheating problems that the Hero 7 had. I mean, at the moment, I'm filming in 2.7K, 50 frames per second. And if I was to do that with the Hero 7 over a prolonged period of time, on some occasions I could lose footage, the audio would start skipping in the video, and the camera would just generally overheat. But with the Hero 8, with not having to have that external cage to mount it to a stick like I'm using now, it helps with cooling a hell of a lot because you've got all that air circulating around the camera. I've seen a few things online about the media mod that goes with the GoPro Hero 8. Well, I'm telling you now that you do not need that media mod. What you need is literally some microphone muffs on the microphone ports of the camera, and you will have a fantastic audio source for all of your videos. But anyway guys, look, it was a real quick one, real short video, that one. If you're interested in buying the GoPro Hero 8, it'll be a link in the description of this video. If you want to find out what selfie stick I'm using with the camera, that'll also be in the link in the description. And the microphone muffs that I currently use on my camera that I'd recommend you guys get hold of if you have got the camera or you're looking to get the camera will also be in the description as well. But I think I'm going to sign off from this beautiful spot in Shrewsbury. Thanks for joining me. Hope you stick around for a few more videos in the future, and I'll see you next time.